Good morning, everyone. You're welcome today again. Have you ever wondered people, especially forex trader, when they don't always monitor that trade and they would say they are place an order? Have you ever wondered how they do it? So, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact way for you to place an order and even leave the market and watch your trade go into your direction. Now, right now, let's assume you've done your technical analysis and your conclusion is that the market is going to an upward direction. All right. So you say, so this is going to be a bull day, a bullish market, and all of that. So you're going to make use of an order known as buy limit or sell limit. Together it's called limit order. So this icon here, you click on it, click on where we have market execution. We're going to make use of that buy limit or sell limit. In my next video, I'm going to talk about buy stop and sell stop. But let's focus on buy limit and sell limit. Now, for buy limit, click on it. All right. Now, before then, let's come back. The easiest way for you to achieve this. All right. Let's assume the market is going up and it's going to come back to this point and then move upward. All right. Now, I've used my arrow tools. I did a video on how to make use of the arrow tools. I've used my arrow tools to indicate the movement of the market, or what we're going to call the flow of the market. All right. Now, how do I now place an order here? Because I already understand that the market is going to come here before move upwards. So what do I do? Good. First of all, you have to go to your toolbar, go to horizontal tool. All right. Let's say this is where you're placing your order. So you can just take it up a little, right? So that it can actually enter. So you can see the price here, 1.05574. So you click on the horizontal tool for long, you edit, you copy the point, then you move back. So you click on this additional, or which is plus icon to place an order, market execution, buy limit. So where we have price, that's where you now paste that your point. All right. This is for set stop, is for take profit. So we're going to place the order. Then for my stop loss, I can bring another tool for the stop loss. Let's assume this is where I want to put my stop loss. Or let's just say this is where I want to put my stop loss. All right. However you intend to put your stop loss. All right. So I'll click the same procedure, copy, back, and where we have order, place it here in stop loss. All right. Okay. You can see my stop loss here. Then for my TP, bring it here in approximately, let's say 481, 48 pips. Right. Copy, back, my TP here. That's all. So you can see that what we're doing right now is simple. So, and we say that the market is going to come down a little bit before going to the actual up direction. So I can leave it like this and stay away from the market until the market executes by itself. Right? So these are to actually use your stop or your sell limit or your buy limit. But let's say for example I want to buy. Okay, let's say I want to sell. Okay, this is the same thing I did here. So I'm just going to do it again. Let's assume this is where I want to sell. Right? You copy, click, go to sell limit, right? And let's say my stop loss here, right? And my TP, I should give you my TP. It's still procedures, right? That is it. Thank you so much for the time, right? So for this, if the market move here upward, you get to this point, the trade will be executed. Hopefully, the market will move then automatically. So that's how it's done. Thank you so much for the time. Have a nice day.